New throttle lever for the Kubota 2370. It's been gone for quite some time. And right there, made in Taiwan, but right there's the part number. If anybody else needs one, it's about $7 or $8. Slips back on here. Ah, yeah, in business. Looks a lot better. That'll make the wife happy. Guess I better do something. Push it on down in there. That ain't cutting mustard. I have to get the little rubber mallet, peck it on down there. Come back in with the rubber mallet. You can see the little bit of black right there from the mallet. Got it hammered on. Worked good.